Good day, everybody. Um, Today we're going to talk about minor scales. Now, if you already know what a minor scale and you know how to figure it out already, good. You don't need to watch this video. If you are learning minor scales, there's some vocabulary uh, you need to know. Uh, and because sometimes teachers or will use them kind of interchangeably. There's very specific ways to figure out what a minor scale is. So if you already know what a minor scale is and you're happy with it, you can stop watching right now. If you want to, if you're interested in how to figure out what your minor scales are, here you go. So there's your caveat. So we're going to start out with parallel minor and what that means. So you're turning a major scale into a minor scale by turning do into la. Okay, so you're going to change it by changing scale degrees, and the tonic stays the same. All right, but before we get to that, what is a minor scale? And it's all about the intervals. Major scales have an interval of a major third between scale degrees, the tonic, and the median. Okay, 1 and 3, 4 half steps above the tonic. A minor scale has a minor third between scale degrees 1 and 3, which is also the tonic and the median, but there are only 3 half steps above the tonic. All right, that's the big difference. Okay, um, and not to get you confused, but we'll talk about this here. Major modes include Ionian, Lydian, and Mixolydian. Your minor modes include Dorian, Phrygian, Aeolian, and Locrian. 99% of the time when people say minor key, they mean Aeolian. All right, so what is Aeolian? Aeolian is the inner circle on your circle of fifths. And if you notice, they are not the same letter. I'm going to show you in this video how to turn a C major into a C minor by changing the key signature. All right. And you might be able to do this intuitively just by looking at the circle. So if I look at C on here and then I want to find C minor, I go over to C minor here. To turn C major into C minor, I need to add 3 flats. To turn A major into A minor, I need to get rid of 3 sharps. To turn, let's do something really icky here. D flat major into, or C sharp minor, I need to get rid of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to get rid of 3 sharps. You see a pattern? You're taking away 3 and you're going 3 sharps, or you're adding 3 flats. Let's try a flat key. Let's go to G minor from G. So I'm going to get rid of 1 flat. So I'm in C, add another flat, F, add another flat, E flat. All right, this is the way I'm going to show you how to do it today, and there's a reason I'm showing you to do it this way right now. Okay, this works by changing the major scale. Okay, major scale, they have the same tonic. That means they have the same first note. So if I say G major, you know it's going to start on G. If I say G minor, you know it's going to start on G. All right, they are not related. They just have the same tonic. This is useful for easily transforming your major melody into a minor melody. So, you could do, say, Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I go, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. If I change the scale degrees, I can go, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Same tonic, but I change the notes. All right. So to take the major scale and turn it into Aeolian mode, okay, I'm not going to get into the harmonic minor just yet. You're going to take scale degrees 3, 6, and 7 and lower them. So if they have a sharp, they become natural. If they are natural, they become a flat. Ugh. If they have a flat, you add another flat. Icky, gross. But that's how this is going to work. The key signature changes. All right. Okay, and I'll walk you through this. Okay, so I am going to lower these keys. So I have my 12 keys. I got C, G, D, A, E, B, blah, 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 written out in key signatures. Written with accidentals. All right, so I want to turn C major into C minor. I'm going to go to 3, 6, 7. Now it is a minor key. G major, 3, 6, 7. Okay, 1, D major, turning into D minor. Go 1, 2, lower the third, 4, 5, 6, lower that, lower that. All right. Turning A major into A minor. Go to 3, lower it, lower it, lower it. There we go. E to E major to E minor. I'm see the pattern here. I'm just going and changing 3 notes. So B major to B minor. C flat major. Ugh, ugly key. Fine. You get a double flat. And you get another double flat. So here's your C flat minor Aeolian scale in all of its glory. Icky. Here's F sharp. I'm going to turn it into F sharp minor. And sorry about that. So F sharp, I went up and changed scale degrees. 3, 6, 7. G flat. Yep, you're going to get some double flats here. Gross. And I already did a post that created why we don't use G flat minor. That's why. All right. C sharp. The E becomes natural. The A becomes natural. The B becomes natural. I'm lowering the third and the 7th to scale degrees. Right. D flat minor. Yuck. Because you get another double flat, F flat, and the glorious C flat for Aeolian mode. A flat. This is the only key, in my opinion, where C flat should exist because it needs to be there. F flat's just annoying. G flat. So I have an A flat Aeolian scale. I'm turning my majors into Aeolian minor. E flat major turned into E flat minor Aeolian. B flat major, turning this into a B flat minor Aeolian, and an F major, turning it into an F major, an F minor Aeolian. So F major to F minor. All right. So that is how you turn your major scales into minor scales. Let's see what they sound like. Oh, that's how you turn your 12 major scales into Aeolian minor. Now, there's one extra thing that I do want to discuss, and because I have seen this happen on theory exams, because sometimes we get anxiety and people will make this mistake. All right. So I give you my A minor scale, and you'll say, did I lower the thirds? All right. Do not do this. All right. Because sometimes you've already lowered the thirds, and it's like, let me lower them again. Well, third, sixth, seventh. Then you end up with something like that. All right. Let's give it a listen. Let's go to measure 30. Okay, here we go. All right. Yeah. So do not double flat your thirds when you're doing it this way. Okay, I only bring this part up because I've seen it happen on theory exams where you can tell the student had done it and they're like, oh, maybe if I do it again. Okay. Um, anyway, this is really good. Again, okay, turning your major into minor. Let me go back over here. Okay, it's useful for transforming your major melody into a minor melody without uh, without changing the tonic. Okay, so I can go do do so la la so fa mi re do, or I could do do so le so fa me re do. It keeps the tonic. It's also very good if you're like just playing around, maybe over a drone or something, and you want to turn a major into a minor. Just lower your third, lower your sixth, lower your seventh, and voila, you have a minor key. If you find this content useful or helpful, and you want to continue the conversation, there's a link in the description. The studio is open. I teach saxophone, theory, and applied composition. Have a nice day.